Hey, calc class, just want to take a moment to go over this last problem that Kai dropped the answer to, but we didn't have time to discuss. So basically, we're using the same rule where that Jose had given us the power rule, where we could take the power down by 1, and we got to take the old power and multiply it by the x. So in this case, if it's x to the 1/2, well, then it's going to have to become 1/2 times x to the 1/2 minus 1 power. Now if I have 6, I got to multiply it by that. So it'll be 6 times -3. Then this will be x to the -3 minus 1 power. And now I've got the 4/7 times x, because there was just a coefficient of 1, and then this will be to the 4/7 minus 1 power. Okay, so I should now say, well, this is now y prime, because I'm starting to take the derivative. Or I could say dy dx, same thing. Oh, so if I look here now, let's just simplify this. So 1/2 times x to the -1/2 power. Well, I guess I could do minus 18. This will become x to the -4th minus 4/7 x to the, that'll give me -3/7 power. So you may remember, hopefully, that when you have a negative power, you could flip it to make the power positive. So I could write this 1/2 times x to the 1/2, positive 1/2 power. Well, the 1/2 power is just the square root. So I think I've simplified the first term. Negative power, that's just going to flip it like a Krabby Patty to the denominator, x to the 4th. Then this is going to become 4/7 x to the 3/7 power. So it'll be positive if I move it to the denominator. And this is what Kai had done for us. It's actually going to be, if you have a fractional power, remember the root becomes the denominator, and the numerator is the power of the underneath the root. So this could be 4/7 times the 7th root of x cubed. And there we go, we're fully simplified. So that power rule comes in quite handy, even with a more funky looking, spicy looking problem like this one. Hope this helped. Much love, everybody.